Today in math, we're going to continue decomposing, but today we're going to be focusing on the numbers 14 and 15. So in your book, you will be doing volume 2 today, and it's skill 10.5, which begins on page 405. And the lessons today are going to have a number, and then you will be decomposing that number into two groups using either the double 10 frame or the cubes. All right, let's get started. Let's go over our DLO, our daily learning objective. Today I will find parts of the numbers 14 and 15. Now it's your turn. Today I will find parts of the numbers 14 and 15. When we're finding parts, it means decompose. Decompose means break apart. So let's look at a few numbers. Let me scoot this up so you can see better. We're going to use the double 10 frame first, and then we'll use our cubes. So if I have a number, just like the last couple days, if I've got the number 15 equals, I want to break it up into two parts, two groups. Let's use our 10 frame. We need to first make 15. So let's make it on our 10 frame, our double 10 frame. So count with me. Let's get to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I made the number that it asked me to make. I need to break it apart. When we decompose means break apart. I have two groups I can see already. My first group, or my first part, is in the 10 frame. It is full. I know that it's full because a 10 frame has 10 windows, so there are 10 there. And then the second group down here has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a group of 10 and a group of 5, and now I need to write that in my equation. So 15 equals, when we decompose, we write our equations backwards with our equal sign in the front. 15 equals a group of 10 plus a group of 5. An equation to make 15, decomposing it, we will say 15 equals 10 plus 5. This 10 comes from the group here. This 5 comes from the group there. Let's do another one. If I were to make 15 with my cubes, I would need to make my 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So just like I did on the double 10 frame, I made 15 first. Now I need to decompose. Decompose means break apart. So I have a group of 10 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I need to write the numbers that match the groups. My first group is a group of 10 plus a group of 5. 15 equals 10 plus 5. Here's my 10, here's my 5. I took 15, took the number, I made it, I decomposed it. Decompose means break apart. Let's do 14 now. Let's see how we can write an equation to decompose, break apart 14. I'm going to use my cubes first. So I linked 10 together, and I'm going to go all the way to 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I made 14. Now I need to decompose it. break apart. I have a group of 10 and a group of 1, 2, 3, 4. A group of 4. Now I need to write those numbers. I have a group of 10 yellow plus a group of 4 red. 10 equals 10 plus 4. The 10 comes from this group. The 4 comes from this group. Now let's finish it off by showing it on the 10 frame. The double 10 frame, I mean. We're going to find those parts, decompose. I'll use green this time. I know I need to decompose 14. So first I'm going to draw 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I need to find my 2 parts. I have one part here, or a group. I have another part here. How many are in our first group? 10. How do you know? I know it's 10 because I counted them. I know it's 10 because it's a 10 frame and it's full. So that's my first group. 14 equals my first part, 10, plus my second part, or my second group. How many are in my next group? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 are in the next group. We can make 14, we can decompose 14 by 14 equals 10 plus 4. This group of 10 comes from the 10 frame that's full. This group of 4 comes from the second 10 frame that's not full. Now, it'll be your turn to decompose 14 and 15. You'll have a couple questions with 16. Don't do the ones with 16. So that's number 3 and number 5. But you can do all the rest of them. You know what to do. So now it's your turn.